Welcome to an exclusive tour of the A.W residence, a contemporary masterpiece by TE Design located in Thailand. This residence exemplifies modern architectural principles through its innovative design and seamless integration with the natural environment. The facade showcases a harmonious interplay of geometric volumes. The design features interlocking rectangular forms that create a dynamic and visually engaging exterior. These volumes are strategically arranged to balance openness with privacy, offering glimpses into the interior spaces while maintaining a sense of seclusion. Employing a combination of traditional and modern construction techniques, the residence utilizes a reinforced concrete framework for structural integrity. Its most distinctive feature is the open structural framework made of slender steel columns, which support the roof and upper levels while allowing large voids and open-air transitions. These columns are strategically positioned to create minimal visual obstruction, reinforcing the home's transparency and flow. The layout is designed to promote fluid movement between spaces. The main entrance leads into an open-plan living area that seamlessly connects to the dining and kitchen spaces. Dedicated to private quarters, the upper level houses bedrooms and bathrooms. Large sliding glass doors open to an outdoor terrace, effectively extending the living space into the garden and allowing daylight to penetrate deep into the interior, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Polished concrete floors and white walls serve as a neutral backdrop, allowing the natural wood accents and carefully selected furnishings to stand out, adding warmth and texture to the spaces. One of the home's most original touches is the use of soft pink, most notably on walls and ceilings in key transitional spaces. Far from being ornamental, this gentle pink tone warms the concrete and steel palette, adding a sense of calm and softness to the architecture. The interior design embraces minimalism, focusing on clean lines and functional furniture. Custom-built cabinetry and integrated storage solutions ensure that the spaces remain uncluttered and efficient. The landscape design emphasizes the integration of the residence with its natural surroundings. Native plants and trees are preserved and incorporated into the garden, creating a seamless transition between the built environment and nature. Outdoor living spaces, including a terrace and a pool area, are thoughtfully positioned to take advantage of the site's topography and views. A B.W residence stands as a testament to thoughtful and innovative design, where architecture and nature coexist in harmony. Through its careful consideration of form, materials, and spatial relationships, TE Design has created a home that is both functional and inspiring.